Well, we tore the plug end apart. Let's tear this end apart. The old Creative MP3 player that I have. These were the headphones for it. See if I can do this without cutting myself. I did pick at it a little bit to get this part to pop off. Like a little tiny speaker in there. And that's what it is. Had a little tiny wire going across here and over into here and around the coil. Just a regular little speaker. So it looks like. I wonder if that's going to focus. So the wires come in here. Looks like little tiny circuit boards that go from, let's see, come on, focus up. Goes from this side where the wires connect over to here on both sides. And then there's a little tiny wire that comes from the ground and then the positive that sneak around this like this and then go in around the coil, voice coil, and that just bounces up and down like a regular speaker. These speakers are probably still good, it's just the wire that was going to them was junk. Well, this speaker ain't good anymore because I just broke them wires out of there, but well, that's how those work.